Yeah, see this question from Chemical Kinetics, class 12 students. The rate constant of the reaction at 500 degrees Celsius is 1.6 into 10 raised to 3. So this is the K value given to you, rate constant, and temperature is given to you 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, T is given and K is given. What is the frequency factor of the reaction? So what is the meaning of frequency factor? It is A. They have asked what is A. If the activation energy is 56 kilojoule per mole. So activation energy, whenever it is in kilojoule, no, you convert to kilojoule. 56 convert to joule. 10 to 3 joule per mole. So multiply by 1000. Okay. Now see, one equation we have RNS, that is K is equal to A e raised to minus A by RT. But that is an exponential equation which cannot be used for calculation. That is why we will write the log value. So log to the base 10 K is equal to log to the base 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 RT, right? Now they have asked A. So let us take first log A value on one side. So this will be log to the base 10K plus EA upon 2.303. Okay. Substitute the value. So log to the base 10. What is K value given? 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 plus activation energy is 56 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 2.303 into 8.314, and temperature is, see in Kelvin this will be 773. 500 degrees Celsius will be 773 Kelvin. Now log to the base 10a. Log 1.6 is 0.2040 and log 10 to 3 is 3. So 3 plus 0.2040 is 3.2040 plus this I can take what? I can just write here multiply by 1000, and this denominator when I multiply, I get 4,148,000. So these two zeros gets cancelled. So when you divide this, this is 3.2040 plus this comes to 3.78. Okay, and on addition of this, you get 6.98. So log to the base 10 is 6.98. So therefore, what will be A value? A will be antilog of 6.98. So antilog of 6.98 is, you find out the log of antilog of 0.98, and this will come out to be 10 raised to 6. And this antilog is 9.72 into 10 raised to 6. What will be the unit of A? Whatever is the unit of K. You can see here unit of K is molar inverse, second inverse. So molar inverse, second inverse. One more way is that this entire thing you can calculate by taking log antilog separately, and you get that answer as 3.78, which you have got here. That way also you can do it. Hope this question is clear to you, students.